Okay, today we're going to learn about dilations, guys. And it's like scales. We're going to go from large to small or from a small to large. And we want to see how we can compare that. Okay, so let's, yes, as you know, when we had nine range of motions in the past, that's when we had like a geometric figure and we move it, we translate it to the right or to the left, up or down, and we compress it and we enlarge it. Here's just a little bit different, guys. We're going to enlarge or reduce geometric figures. And for that, we need a center of dilation, okay? Or we need a scale factor for that as well. So I'm providing that vocabulary, guys, so you can read it. But let's look at example one right there. And if you can see this, we can actually go in here and see it, guys. So we had triangle ABC, which is the big one, to DEF, okay? And we see in here the triangle DEF, the small one, is smaller. Can you say that? Can you see that? It's just smaller, okay, than ABC. So the dilation is a reduction. If it's a reduction, guys, we need to take the small side and divide it by the big side, okay? If it was an enlargement, it would be different, guys, okay? So the scale factor is equal to the side lengths of the triangle DEF divided by the corresponding side, or 2 sixes. So we got this 2. We start with that. We do that first. And we're going to divide that by, look, it's the same side, by this side. And that will be the second step. So we end up with 2 over 6, or we can reduce that to 1/3. So we have the scale factor for this is 1/3, meaning that the small triangle is 1/3 of the big triangle. That's really what it means. Okay. Now let's just practice just a little bit. And let me erase this. Let me just practice this. Let me see if we can go into the next page. It's going to be a little bit different. So let's practice. Okay. So we're going to come here and we're going to check this right here. And again, we're going from a big to a small. So let's look at the small one. Determine whether the dilation from WXYZ to JKLM is an enlargement or a reduction. Well, you can see from here. So let me see if I can get it. From here to here, it is, again, it is a reduction. Can you see it? Because JKLM is indeed smaller. So what is the scale? So what we do is we grab this and we say, okay, we got this, okay? We're gonna look at the small, a small to large. So what we have is, and we're going to divide that, so we're gonna have 4 to 7, okay? Now we have a small figure and a large figure. Again, we take the large figure and divide it by the small figure, and it will give us that. So this is just like a little bit more than half, guys. So fairly easy, no problem whatsoever.